Welcome back. Now you may want to work with an image on one of your sales pages. In order to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to highlight the image and then you're going to look into your code so that you'll know what the code is actually saying about the image. And in this case, we're looking at an image with the name bundle space large. Now if we want to change out that image, we can do that by using a file that's going to be the very same name, or we can actually change the name of the file to something else within the folder. So for example, if we know that there is a file named DVD within the folder, we can exchange that image inside of the page with this file name. And so in this particular case, what we're going to do is we're going to take the file name and we're just going to take it right back to our page. And in this case, we're going to take out this image by changing the name. And then we're going to save it and upload it to our server. And when we do that and we scroll down, you'll notice that the image is now the DVD image. We can make some of our images hyperlinked. For example, if we were to click on top of this particular image, you'll notice that this is the image /DVD. And so what we're going to do is we're going to then make this image clickable, and then we're going to send the visitor to this URL. And all we're going to need to do is we're going to need to highlight the image. We're going to go to this window and we're going to go to the properties. And what we're going to do is we're going to place the link where we want this clickable link to go. Now when we close the properties, note what happens to the image address. You're going to notice then that it becomes a hyperlink address with the image within the hyperlink. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.